not really bad. This is the track's dry. I drove it a bit ago, and there's quite a bit of grip now. Yeah, so you get to drive off this. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Let the car go out. There you go. Accelerate. I'm going to talk less. Okay, because I think you need to be somewhere else. You need to start putting this together. There you go. Nice. Very nice. Very nice, Alex. Good. Good, good, good. Great. Accelerate down the road. Got lots of grip there. Brake at the dip, brake, turn. Oh yeah. I fucking love this turn. Yes. Oh, that's awesome. Thank you, sir. Well, now I can hear you, that's why. Don't slow down too much here. You can really carry a lot of speed. Just a little tap on the brakes. You need to drag the speed down. Quick jab of the brakes. Brake, 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 brake. A little bit more next time. A little bit more so you have it correct. Oh, this is great, Alex. Oh, hell yeah. Fuck yeah. Here you go. Late apex. Don't leave it out. Leave it out. Leave it out. Now bend it in. Touch right there. Now accelerate. Accelerate, accelerate, accelerate. There you go. Hard. Hard. There you go. Get some more speed up. More. There you go. You're going to need to brake a little bit harder than that next time. Accelerate. Accelerate. Squirt at the point here. Quick brake. Brake. Off. See how much more grip there is now. Yeah. Watch the jerkiness. Nice, smooth line. There you go. Good. Stay halfway out. Less speed, a little less speed. Bend it in. Now start accelerating. Now go. Yeah. Ah, fuck yeah. Okay. Swirly? Yeah, you're good. Good. Accelerate. Man, that's the best lap you've done all day. Now you're starting to build. Little more brake.